These books provide hours of entertainment. There are 4 different patterns in each book. Pull out the page, look for the color, match it up, and follow the folding directions. Discover how to draw lots of things by following the simple step-by-steps in this delightful book. From monkeys to monsters, there's so much to inspire. This makes the perfect gift for an older child or even a teacher, and with the addition of biographical information, it's educational too. Usborne has amazing sticker books, from toddlers through elementary school. From our sticker dressing dolly books to build your own series and educational sticker books, there's truly something for everyone. Wipe clean cards are my go-to for restaurants and waiting rooms. They keep your child busy while they are learning. We have so many different subjects. Search for our Wipe Clean books on my website. We also have activity packs, including 4 Wipe Clean books. Do your kids like to get a little messy? These books are perfect for them. Fingerprint books make beautiful pictures while containing the mess for mom. Painting books just use water, so they're a cinch to clean up. Our learning palette is a hands-on tool that's great for homeschooling or extra help outside of school. We have math and reading cards for kindergarten through 5th grade. My son used this with me at 3 years old and is still using it now on his own. Our Busy books are our most popular book for toddlers. They come with a pullback toy, 4 different tracks, and also have a story.